Ryan had a right ankle fracture that we took care of. Apparently he jumped off a boat back on July 4th and ended up breaking the fibula, which is the large outside ankle bone.
Right when the injury happened, I knew immediately where I was going to go. I actually called and we had an appointment set up that same day.
We ended up operating on him the next week. We put a plate and some screws in, and here he is 15 months later, surfing, doing everything that he loves.
I love to travel the world and surf. I own Salty Dog Water Sports with my partner Andrew. We have a premier wake surf boat in Highlands, New Jersey. We take private parties out on the boat for wake surfing, water skiing, wakeboarding, and tubing.
You know, we work extremely closely with our physical therapists, and the team at NJ Spine and Wellness really did a thorough and great job with him, getting him back to the activities that he likes to do, skiing, surfing. We are scanning Ryan for some orthotics, for custom orthotics. It reduces the amount of pressure, especially after such a bad injury to the ankle. It reduces the amount of pressure on those joints. And really distributes the weight in a proper fashion.
The orthotics help big time, taking out the old insoles from the shoe and putting in the custom orthotics. It's an immediate difference. Those first few steps feel so much better. It's been nothing but a positive experience. I think having everything under one house, having the doctor and the physical therapy together, it makes it such a smooth and seamless transition. The communication is excellent and it really helps with the recovery.